Some interesting stuff. Do you know how Fj60, when you fold the bench, actually when you get this bench folded, you see how this seat belts are hiding? Look what I did for 2 main. See this? So now you can really fold it in reality, right? But I just did it, so I need to cut it. And look, see how they stay? I just took another seatbelt from junk Toyota, and I just did this trick, and now they always there. Something like that. You can probably come up with something better, but just a small tip.